So Colby's in the walker, and he thinks it's a jumper. We lowered it down so he can walk in it, but only backwards. Right? But he loves it. Can you walk? Huh?
Go gadget? Yeah, I know.
Come here. Here. Maybe Papa will film a little bit. Just don't get me in it, please. Come here. Just get him walking. Ready? Come on. Whee! Yes. Now let's go backwards. Ready? Whee! Whee! Say, Papa, don't get Gaga in there. Let's just get the baby. Come here. Walk. Look at you. Look at you. Yes. Can you walk one by yourself? Ready? Let's try it one more time. And let's see if you can do it. Oh, it's hard to go backwards. I don't know how you do it. Okay, stand up. Stand up. Good. Walk. Come on, walk. Walk. Walk, walk, walk. Come on, walk. Come on. There you go. Come on, you can do it. I'll do it. Come on. Come on.
Now we know why he has reverse down.
Oh, Goofy. Come on, walk with me. Come on, let's go for a walk. Come on. Oh, there we go. Come on, walk. Come on. You can take your foot. Come on. Come on. Do it. Stand up. Let's walk. Stand up. Stand up. You are
In for a break in the action.
Oh, that was fun, wasn't it? That was so much fun. Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Come here. Come on over here. Judah is tired. Judah's tired. Judah's tired. Can you honk the horn? Honk the horn. Beep beep. Hey, good looking. Be back to pick you up later. Bumper guy. Look who's here. Judah's here. Judah. Judah, Judah, Judah. Boing. I don't know if that can reach over there. Can you get that?
Hey, Colby.
Here.
Colby.
Here, I'll do you this one. If he sits, it doesn't move because the weight.
Yeah.
So he's got to stand up in order for me to move it. Stand up, there you go. Here. Can you get it? I don't know. Let's see. Let's move it over. There you go. Let's see what they do. Let's play patty cake. Ready? Patty cake. Patty cake, patty cake.